How to use YouTube's clip feature, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know YouTube has a built-in clip feature that lets you clip your favorite moments from any video and share them instantly? It's super easy to use, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works step by step. Let's get into it. What is the clip feature? YouTube's clip feature lets you select a specific segment of any video, anywhere from 5 to 60 seconds long, and create a shareable link for just that moment. So instead of sharing a whole video and telling someone to skip to a certain point, you can clip the exact moment and send it directly. It's perfect for funny moments, highlights, tutorials, or anything worth sharing. How to create a clip. Open any YouTube video that has clipping enabled. Underneath the video you'll see a row of buttons including like, dislike, share, and save. Look for the clip button, which looks like a small film strip icon, and click on it. A panel will open at the bottom of the video showing a blue highlighted section on the timeline. That highlighted section is your clip. Drag the left and right handles to set exactly where you want your clip to start and end. You can make it anywhere from 5 seconds up to 60 seconds long. Naming and sharing your clip. Once you've trimmed your clip to the perfect moment, give it a title in the text box provided. Keep it short and descriptive. Then click Share Clip and YouTube will generate a unique link for just that segment. Copy that link and share it anywhere, in a text message, on social media, in a Discord server, wherever you want. Anyone who clicks the link will jump straight to your clipped moment. Things to know. A couple of quick things to keep in mind. Not every video has clipping enabled. It's up to the creator to allow it, so you won't see the clip button on every video. Also, clips are public by default, so anyone with the link can view them. And finally, your clips are saved to your YouTube account, so you can find them anytime under your profile in the Your Clips section. And that is all there is to it. YouTube clips are a fantastic way to share your favorite moments quickly and easily. Give it a try on your next favorite video. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips, and I will see you in the next one.